Sardinia pulled up at the house. How you doing? Good. Who's with you? What's up, brother? Let me see your hands. Come on out here. Come to the back of the car, please. Put your hands on the back of the car. You too. Come here. You're not free to leave. Yeah. Who else is in the car? Put your hands on the car. Okay. What's your name? You guys close?
Is everything? What happened?
Yeah, everything's fine. Let's separate them.
What's going on?
We're conducting a crash investigation involving your granddaughter's vehicle earlier today. So that's why we're out here.
An accident? I had a mailbox. I texted Evan about her.
Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like a mailbox. Was somebody standing next to it?
Let me talk to you over here. I'll tell you all about it. Did she tell you about this crash that happened today?
You know anything? Absolutely not.
All right. There was a crash today over by Town West, on Town West in Port Orange. She did not hit a mailbox. Do you want to know what she hit? Mike Chitwood, the sheriff.
Was he on a bike?
Yes, he was. I read
Yes, he was.
I read it on.
And she didn't stop. So that's the reason why we're here. I just want to fill you guys in. I'll shut my blue lights off if that helps you, but we got to wait on Port Orange to come over here and talk to her. They're doing the crash investigation. But that's the reason why we're here.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure that's a big deal when you guys got that sheriff killed over there by that cabbage patch.
Mm-hmm. So, she's just detained for right now, and we're just standing by for a little bit.
A lot of cars.
It's just my unit. It's not everyone. We roll together, and I ended up just pulling in behind her as she pulled into the driveway.